We turned up on site on Monday and we found that somebody had tried to break in where they damaged a window. Luckily nothing was taken, but we're going to just show you what's actually been done as a precautionary measure and how we deal with things. So the first thing that we did was we boarded up the windows, and that simply meant that we had some MDF extra strong boards here, and then we just screwed them in to this framework, which was a preventative measure. We've got a new alarm system being installed, so we've got the guys here on site doing the install now. That will also include some cameras on the front of the house, and then we'll have some signage which will also confirm that we've got security cameras that can be monitored. As we enter, we've got a position here for a keypad, and the guys that are installing, I'm going to introduce you to those, and they're highly recommended. And it's a company called Very Sure, and this is the alarm system that they're going to be installing, which has got 24-hour response and image recording as well.
I am a sales manager in Very Sure Smart Alarms. So the main concept of this alarm system is that the biggest benefit that it's not connected to your Wi-Fi or to a BT line. It's completely independent from the property and also from the main socket as well. How it works is we've got an encrypted SIM card which works straightly direct with the satellite, and it makes it very advanced. So if anyone uses any type of jammers or cut your cables, or if your internet goes down, our system is not affected at all, and you'll be alerted via the app.
How does this system compare to what's on the market at the moment?
Perfect. So the main difference is our motion detectors. So if you look at most businesses or households or so, in the corner you might see a little device like this right in the corner. Now what that is once an intruder breaks into the property, it detects up the motion and the alarm goes off immediately. Now how our system works is you'll be having sensors on every single entry point to the premises, which means the person doesn't need to break into the property for the alarm to be activated. Anyone playing with the doors or the windows, or they touch any type of tamper or so, this will set off the alarm immediately.
Some of the elements here, so we've got a camera here, we've got these motion sensors here, we've got a keypad here which will illuminate, and you'll be able to see some numbers on there as well. And then this round item here, let me just quickly go over that.
This is a zero vision smoke canister. Now it doesn't have any harmful chemicals, and it doesn't damage any material or furniture. The main reason we have this is by the time we dispatch our 24-hour security guards who are patrolling in this rooming area to the property, and we alert the police that there is an intrusion happening at this very moment, by the time period for 5 to 10 minutes, once the police and the security guards attend the property, we thought, how can you protect yourself and your assets? And that's when we introduced a device called the zero vision smoke barrier, which will explode and it will fill the whole property with smoke. If you're on holiday, or if, for example, no one's at home, or if your wife and your child's at home and you're out on work, or so you come home late, it prevents the intruder from seeing anything to steal anything.
Okay, so these are the guys from Very Sure. I'm going to put their details below, and these guys are highly recommended. I'm going to give you an update of once the alarm has been installed. Just looking at the rear of the building, and on all of these windows, these are entry points, and this is where we're going to be having some sensors on every single entry point as well. Based on the alarm installation, we're able to take these boards off now, and we'll get some nice natural light coming into this room. Coming to the end of the install, then we've got a camera just in the middle of the windows, and lastly we're having a sign just put outside the door. So what they say is prevention is better than cure, and this is a clear deterrent for any would-be assassins. So a job well done. We'll see you again very soon. Take care. Monty out.